Hello everyone, I am your English teacher Richa Sharma from California Public School. I hope you all are fit and fine at your place. So today we are going to read a poem, Every Time I Climb a Tree. So please have your book of English literature on page number 91 so that you can understand the poem in the better way. First of all, we are going to read about the poet who has written the poem. Okay, there is a mm, small introduction of the poet here, brief introduction. So, this is the poem written by David Thompson Watson Mackay, and he was a very well known children writer. When he was a child, he lived in the countryside. Mackay used to read aloud to his grandmother, and thus he found his love for reading and writing. He would often visit schools to recite poems and engage children in writing poetry. So, this is a very small introduction of the poet David Mackay, that he was a very well known children's writer. ठीक है, वो बहुत जाने पहचाने चिल्ड्रन राइटर थे. एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू रीड द पोइम. ठीक है, व्हाट इज द पोइम, व्हाट द पोइम इज अबाउट. Okay, so every time I climb a tree is a happy poem. It is a happy poem bache, about a child climbing a tree. Why this is a happy poem? Because there is a because the child is simply climbing the tree. In climbing the tree beta, during climbing the tree he gets happiness there. ठीक है. The poem describes that what happens when the little child climbs a tree. एंड इस पोइम में हमें क्या क्या पता चलेगा कि क्या होता है विद दैट लिटिल चाइल्ड वाइल क्लाइंबिंग द ट्री, एंड व्हाट अ चाइल्ड सी when he gets to the top of the tree, and what are the things he used to see when he reaches at the top of the tree. जब भी वो ट्री के टॉप पे पहुंच जाता था तो उसको क्या क्या वहाँ पे देखने को मिलता था. सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट. Every time I climb a tree, every time I climb a tree, every time I climb a tree. Okay, so every time he climbs a tree, but there are so many things happens with him. So he describes them one by one. ठीक है, every time I climb a tree, I scrape a leg. Scrape a leg means beta get hurt by getting rubbed. We all know beta the skin of the tree is very rough. So whenever beta he used to climb the tree, he used to get hurt beta, because he get rubbed against hard and rough skin of the tree. Okay, or skin a knee. And skin a knee means beta when you skin your knee it gets rubbed off very badly. मीन्स जब बेटा वो स्किन निकल जाती है, जब हम किसी रफ चीज़ के साथ अगर हमारी स्किन रब हो जाती है. ठीक है, सो एवरी टाइम ही क्लाइम्स अ ट्री ही स्क्रेप्स अ लेग एंड स्किन अ नी, एंड एवरी टाइम आई क्लाइंब अ ट्री आई फाइंड सम एंड्स बेटा. और मैं जब भी ट्री क्लाइंब करता था, जब भी वो ट्री क्लाइंब करता था तो वहाँ पे बहुत सारे एंड्स भी होते थे, एंड देर आर सम टाइम बीज ऑल्सो. एंड what he used to do with bees, he used to dodge them. Dodge means beta he used to move them away, because he can sting them, because they can sting him, or they can be harmful for him beta. So that's why he used to dodge them away, or he used to move them away, and get the ants all over me. And while climbing the tree sometime beta the ants used to get all over his body also. ठीक है, और सारी बॉडी पे उसके ants हो जाते थे. And every time I climb a tree, second stanza, and every time I climb a tree, where have you been? They say to me, but don't they know that I am free every time I climb a tree? So here beta the child is saying that whenever he climbs a tree, and they means beta they refers to here parents. ठीक है, तो his parents used to ask him beta where have you been means आप कहाँ पे थे. but don't they know that I am free? But every time beta he comes in contact with this question, or every time he got asked about this question, he always thinks that I am free, I can do, or I can go wherever I want, or I can do whatever I want to do. So every time he climbs a tree, his parent used to ask him, his elder used to ask him, where have you been? And this is the same thing happens with us also, because our parents used to be worried about us, that where we have been for this much time. So they used to ask him, where have you been? But don't they know that I am free every time I climb a tree? And what is the next stanza say? What is the activity that he likes the best there? I like it best to spot a nest that has an egg or maybe three. This is the best thing that he used to see while climbing the tree, to spot a nest, to find a nest or to see a nest that has an egg. कभी कभी उसमें बेटा one egg होता था, or maybe three, and sometimes there are three. But he likes that thing the most, to find the nest there, because it has sometime an egg or maybe three. And then I skin the other knee, and then I skin the other leg, and sometime he skin his other leg also, sometime he get hurt on the other leg also. But every time I climb a tree, I see lot of things to see. But whenever beta he climbs a tree, there are so many things that he used to see. वो बहुत सारी चीजें देखता था वहाँ पे. Now we are going to read what are the things that he used to see. Swallows, rooftops and TV. Swallows means beta small birds with pointed wings. ठीक है, swallows, rooftops, these are the rooftops beta. ठीक है, these are the rooftops. Swallows, rooftops and TV and all the fields and farms there be. And all the fields beta, ये जो fields and farms हैं वो देखता था वो. Every time I climb a tree, ठीक है, whenever he climbs a tree, he used to see all the swallows, rooftop, TV, fields, farms, and there are so many things, but a nest, eggs, ants, bees. There are so many things that he used to see while climbing the tree. Next, beta, though climbing may be good for ants, he now is telling that no doubt मीन्स पेड़ पे चढ़ना एंड्स के लिए अच्छा है. इट इजंट awfully good for pants, but it is not good for his pants better, because while climbing the tree it used to get spoiled, it used to get torn. ठीक है, वो स्पॉइल हो जाती थी बच्चे, या कभी कभी फट भी जाती थी उसकी पैंट्स while climbing the tree. बट स्टिल इट इज़ प्रिटी गुड फॉर मी. बट फिर भी बेटा वो इंजॉय करता था climbing the tree every time I climb a tree. So he is not considering that whatever is happening with his pants, or he is getting hurt on his knee, or whatever, and he have to answer his parents also, but still he enjoys beta climbing a tree. ठीक है. So this is all about in this poem, and here is I really want you to solve it at this exercise 1 and 2 on page number 93. This is a very simple activity beta, that use this tree chart to list all the things boy see while he climbed the tree. जितने भी बेटा हमने अभी चीज़ें रीड की हैं कि वो जब ट्री क्लाइंब करते हुए देखता है, we have to write them here, like beta eggs, nest, ants, bees, like all the things that we have read in the poem while reading the poem. And here are the MCQs beta, here are the MCQs. Okay, 3 MCQs are there, so please try to solve them. Which every time the boy climbs a tree, he scrapes his leg, because क्यों hurt हो जाता था बेटा वो. There are 3 options. द बॉय डॉजेज अ बी बिकॉज वो बीज को बेटा मूव अवे करता था. वाई? बिकॉज. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट बेटा व्हेन द टॉय सॉरी व्हेन द बॉय सेज इट इजंट ऑफुली गुड फॉर पैंट्स, इट मीन्स वो क्यों बोल रहा था बेटा कि ट्री पे क्लाइंब करना पैंट्स के लिए अच्छा नहीं है. वाई ही वॉज सेइंग दैट. Okay, what does he mean by that? So please try to solve these two exercises. Okay, very simple poem it is there, that whenever he climbs a tree, he used to get hurt, and he used to see so many things there. And what is the best thing that he used to see while climbing the tree, and what are the things he used to see by reaching at the top of the tree. This is the poem all about. Okay, and please try to solve uh, first and second exercise on page number 92 and 93. So this is all from my side. I hope I have cleared all your doubts. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.